I'm Kelly Hagelin with the Kelly Group Real Estate, and welcome to your wine country paradise. Panoramic valley vistas and nature's majestic silhouettes greet you at every turn. Prepare to be enchanted by the opulent grandeur that awaits beyond the pillared entry. From arched windows framing breathtaking views to a luxurious walk-in steam sauna, every detail exudes timeless elegance. With a layout that seamlessly blends sophistication and convenience, this home offers the perfect harmony of single-level living and a versatile dual living space. Indulge in gourmet delights with the granite-clad kitchen, then retreat to the lavish primary suite with its private patio oasis. Outside, the meticulously landscaped grounds beckon for alfresco gatherings amidst berry-laden bushes and fruit trees. Your Mediterranean oasis awaits. Experience wine country living in pure luxury.